Hello my dear subscribers and viewers, welcome back to my channel Priya's Curious Kitchen. Today's recipe is about a veg starter or an appetizer. I'm going to do beetroot kola urundais. Let's get started. For the kola urundai, take 2 grated beetroots, followed by take few cashew nuts. Take 1 cup of grated coconuts. Take 3 tablespoons of broken chana dal. Take 2 green chilli split. Now take a pan or a kadai. I am going to dry roast the ingredients, starting with whole spices, one at a time. Cardamom pods, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds. Dry roast it on a low flame. And now I am adding 3 or 4 tablespoons of broken chana dal. Add few cashew nuts. Dry roast it. Continue to cook on low flame and add the grated coconuts. Just a slight toast. Don't keep it in high or medium flame. Roast the ingredients, and now I am adding the splitted green chilies. All together I am mixing it well. Once the ingredients are roasted, turn off the stove and keep it aside. Now I am going to grind the ingredients. Don't add water because the coconut has already the moisture. It helps in grinding the ingredients perfectly. Now take a pan, add oil, 1 or 2 spoons of oil. I am going to saute the beetroot, the grated beetroot. Saute for just about 5 minutes on a low flame. Now the beetroot has been cooking for about 5 minutes. Now halfway the saute, I am adding 1 tablespoon of salt. Stirring it all together, keeping the flame on low. Now you can notice the beetroots are cooked beautifully. At this stage, I am going to add the powdered masala. Mix it well all together. The masala should get combined well in the beetroots. Now you can see it has beautifully binded. Cool the mixture, and now I am going to do the kola urundai balls. You can do it in shapes, urundai shapes, and do one by one. Keep it on a plate. So I have done the shapes, that is the kola urundai shapes. Now we are going to deep fry the kola urundai balls. Take a kadai, pour enough oil. Once the oil is hot, drop the urundais in batches. Keep on low or medium flame for the deep fry. Now the urundais are deep fried well. Here goes the delicious, yummy veg starter beetroot kola urundais. It's a perfect starter for your lunch. Please do try out the recipe and let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel. Please do share with your friends. See you all in the next interesting video. Until then, bye.